If you've been wondering whether MetaTrader 5 or TradeLocker is the better choice for your trading style, this breakdown should help you decide. MetaTrader 5, often called MT5, has been around for years and has built a reputation as one of the most powerful trading platforms in the market. It supports Forex, stocks, and futures, offering advanced charting capabilities, dozens of technical indicators, and multiple order types. You can set up different timeframes, run detailed backtesting, and even automate your trades using expert advisors. This level of control makes it a favorite among professional traders and anyone who relies heavily on technical analysis. However, its complexity can be intimidating for beginners. TradeLocker takes almost the opposite approach. It's a modern, web-based platform that runs directly in your browser, so there's no need to install software. The design is clean and simple, allowing traders to focus on the essentials without digging through layers of menus. It still provides charting tools, order management, and access to multiple asset classes, but it's lighter and faster to learn compared to MT5. This makes it appealing for new traders or those who prioritize convenience. When it comes to charting, MT5 clearly offers more. With built-in indicators, advanced drawing tools, and the ability to add custom scripts, it's highly adaptable for traders who want precision. TradeLocker keeps charting more streamlined, which can be a benefit for those who prefer simplicity over having hundreds of options. Execution speed is another key factor. MT5's performance largely depends on the broker's server quality, but it's proven to be stable and responsive over the years. TradeLocker's cloud-based system is optimized for quick order execution without consuming heavy system resources, which is great for trading on lower-end devices or while traveling. If you like exploring advanced settings, customizing your interface, and running automated systems, MT5 will likely be the better fit. On the other hand, if you want something lightweight, easy to use, and accessible from anywhere without installation hassles, TradeLocker might be the smarter choice. Both platforms can help you trade effectively. The better option simply depends on whether you value powerful features or quick, uncomplicated access. Choosing between them isn't about which one is better overall, but which one matches how you prefer to trade.